तपाई को बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Who are you speaking? Who are you speaking? तपाई कहाँबाट हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? आजकल कहाँ व्यस्त छौ? Where are you busy nowadays? Where are you busy nowadays? तपाईलाई कस्तो छ? How are you? How are you? म ठीक छु, तपाईलाई कस्तो छ? I am fine and how are you? अनि घरमा सबैलाई कस्तो छ? And how is everybody at home? And how is everybody at home? तपाई को हो? Who are you? Who are you? तपाईको आवाज काटी काटी आएको छ. Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. के तपाई यसलाई दोहोऱ्याउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? मैले तपाईलाई सुन्न सकिरहेको छैन. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. के तपाई मेरो बोली सुन्नु भएको छ? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? हो, तपाईलाई सुन्न सक्छु. सुनिरहेको छु. Yes, I can hear you. कृपया पछि फेरि गर्नुहोला. Please call again later. Please call again later. मलाई फेरि कल गर. Call me back. Call me back. म अहिले मिटिङमा छु. I am in a meeting now. I am in a meeting now. के म तपाईलाई पछि कल गर्न सक्छु? Can I call you back? Can I call you back? ठीक छ, अब म फोन राख्छु. Okay, I am gonna hang up now. Okay. कल गर्नु भएकोमा धन्यवाद. Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. माफ गर्नुहोला, मैले तपाईलाई चिन्न सकिन. Sorry, I didn't recognize you. तपाईलाई मेरो नम्बर कसले दियो? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? तिमीले मेरो कल उठाएनौ. You did not pick my call. You did not pick my call. घर पुगेपछि मलाई फोन गर्नु. Call me after reaching home. Call me after reaching home. के तिमीले फोन गरेथ्यौ? Did you call? Did you call? तिम्रो फोन सधैँ व्यस्त हुन्छ. Your phone is always busy. Your phone is always busy. म तिमीलाई पछि कल गर्छु. I will call you later. I will call you later. कल गरेकोमा धन्यवाद. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. तपाईले कुन नम्बर डायल गर्नुभयो? Which number have you dialed? Which number have you dialed? उनले मलाई बारम्बार फोन गर्छिन्. She calls me over and over again. She calls me over and over again. के तपाईको फोन लाउड स्पिकरमा छ? Is your phone on a loudspeaker? Is your phone on a loudspeaker? हामी केही बेर मात्र कुरा गर्नेछौँ. We will just talk for a while. We will just talk for a while. तपाईको फोन नम्बर सेभ थिएन. Your number was not saved. Your number was not saved. तपाईलाई मेरो नम्बर कहाँबाट मिल्यो? Where did you get my number from? Where did you get my number from? मलाई कल नगर. Don't call me. Don't call me. तपाईको आवाज स्पष्ट आइरहेको छैन. I cannot hear you clearly. I cannot hear you clearly. तपाई कोसँग कुरा गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? मैले बिहानदेखि कल गरिरहेको छु. I have been trying to call you since morning. I have been trying to call you since morning. तर तिमीले फोन उठाइरहेको छैनौ. But you are not picking up the phone. But you are not picking up the phone. म पछि कल गर्नेछु. I will call back later. I will call back later. के म समीरसँग कुरा गर्न सक्छु? Can I talk to Samir? Can I talk to Samir? म धेरै बेरदेखि तिम्रो फोनको प्रतीक्षा गरिरहेको थिएँ. I was waiting for your call from a long time. I was waiting for your call from a long time. उसले मेरो कल उठाइरहेको छैन. He is not picking up my call. He is not picking up my call. तपाईले कसैलाई कल गर्नुभयो? Who have you called? Who have you called? उसलाई मलाई कल गर्न भन्नुहोला. Tell him to call me. Tell him to call me. के म तिम्रो नम्बर पाउन सक्छु? Could I get your number? Could I get your number? बारम्बार कल नगर. Don't call again and again. Don't call again and again. मलाई बोल्न मन लागिरहेको छैन. I don't feel like talking. I don't feel like talking. आज तिमीले मलाई कसरी याद गर्यौ? How did you recall me today? How did you recall me today? काम सकेपछि मलाई फोन गर. Call me after finishing the work. Call me after finishing the work. तपाईँ मलाई जुनसुकै बेला कल गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. के तपाईसँग मेरो फोन नम्बर छ? Do you have my phone number? Do you have my phone number? उनी अहिले यहाँ छैनन्. He is not here right now. He is not here right now. तपाईले फोन किन उठाउनु भएन? Why did not you pick up the phone? Why did not you pick up the phone? म मेरो साथीसँग कुरा गर्दै थिएँ. I was speaking with my friend. I was speaking with my friend. त्यहाँ पुग्ने बित्तिकै मलाई कल गर्नुहोला. Call me as soon as you get there. Call me as soon as you get there.